I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming safety gear and correct nail size. This prevents damage and injury. Attach the palm nailer to the nail head or adapter so it sits flush. Test fuel or air briefly to confirm movement. Once the tool cycles, position the nail perpendicular to the work surface and maintain light downward pressure, not a push, because the tool provides impact. Make sure to secure loose materials and keep your free hand clear while you prepare to drive the first nail. You want to control rhythm and depth by using short bursts rather than a steady push. Fire 1 to 3 impacts, pause, then inspect the nail. This reduces splitting and overdriving. Once the shank is seated, use more controlled hits to bring the head flush. If you feel bounce, reduce air pressure or change to fewer hits to prevent marring. Make sure to angle the tool only when countersinking near edges, and keep your wrist aligned to absorb recoil and maintain accuracy. You finish by bringing each nail head flush or slightly recessed, then verify alignment across the workpiece for consistent appearance. If a jam or misfire happens, immediately cut air, remove pressure, clear the nail, then inspect the adapter and shank for damage before restarting. For weak hits or inconsistent cycling, check hose size, regulator PSI, and lubricate the inlet. Worn seals or low pressure are the usual culprits. Finally, store the palm nailer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.